Hey there, creators! Wondershare just released Filmora 14 with some awesome new features for all creative folks. But we have another cool feature for you that converts your video into smooth slow motion with just a few clicks. Want to learn about this feature? Keep watching. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. What is frame interpolation? Frame interpolation is a video processing technique that involves generating frames between existing frames through interpolation, enhancing the fluidity and smoothness of your video. This method is commonly employed to simulate slow motion effects. In Filmora 14, utilizing this feature, supported by AI, has been made remarkably user-friendly. Types of AI frame interpolation. Filmora offers three primary features within frame interpolation. 1. Frame sampling. 2. Frame blending. 3. Optical flow. Frame sampling. Start by selecting your footage, then navigate to the speed settings and reduce the speed to 0.40. In the frame interpolation settings, keep it set to frame sampling. During playback, you may notice a lack of smoothness. This occurs because duplicate frames are created to bridge the gaps between the original frames. Frame blending. Frame blending is a technique for achieving smooth transitions between two frames. This method involves creating a crossfade effect that seamlessly bridges the gaps between frames, resulting in a specific visual effect. To use this technique in Filmora, start by selecting your footage. Then, navigate to the speed settings and reduce the speed to 0.30. In the frame interpolation settings, choose Frame Blending. To check the result, render your footage and play back the video. Upon careful observation, you'll notice the cross-fade effect created between the two frames. Optical flow. Optical flow in Filmora is a feature that enables smooth, high-quality slow-motion video. The AI analyzes the original frames in a video and generates new frames that fill the gaps between them, accurately capturing motion as the video slows down. To use this feature in Filmora, begin by selecting your footage. Then, navigate to the speed settings and reduce the speed. In the frame interpolation options, choose Optical Flow. Remember that generating new frames between existing ones takes time during project rendering. However, you'll enjoy a smooth, professional-looking slow-motion video upon playback. Tips for frame interpolation. 1. Ensure your footage is clear. 2. Make sure it is well lit and aim for high resolution. 3. Opt for a high frame rate, preferably 120 FPS, for better results. 4. Avoid shaky and blurry footage. 5. Take care to eliminate sudden and fast movements in your shots. 6. Use a tripod to improve the quality of your footage. Download Filmora 14 from the link in the description and start creating like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more visual effects and tutorials, check out filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video, where we'll explore more exciting Filmora 14 features.